Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Halloween Hornets construction update number 6. Back from my vacation, saw Metallica. Great time, great show. But I'm not really home right now because I have friends in Florida and I stay the night with them. We're at Disney's Pop Century. Comfy, cozy.
Absolutely.
Comfy, cozy. Oh, look at this golden right here. Look at all this gold right here who just won the Stanley Cup.
Stay golden, my friends. There's one name in the back of the shirt, Anthony, if you haven't noticed. It's probably on the right side of the shirt. And there's a specific name there that our good friend Carlos does not like. And here's a hint. 2014. You can find him.
Is it Alex Martinez?
Alec Martinez. Correct.
He's on the left-hand side.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
We're still champions. That's all I care about.
I know. Inside of Cinnabon. See 3 body bags as well. Really cool to see that when you first walk in Cinnabon, City Walk. Alright, so now we're making our way over to Universal Studios Florida for the Halloween Hornets construction update. We were just in Island, just chilling, having fun. A couple rides here and there. But now, off to Universal Studios Florida for your Halloween Hornets construction update. Do have friends with me today. Just been at another part. It might seem a little weird, but we'll try to get it done as best as I can for you guys. So because we are going to the side entrance, you can see just right up in the distance, they have put the lighting right outside the main entrance. They do like to do some artwork, put the lighting onto the building, and there's more just right there. Very cool to finally see stuff out there. Here's your closer look up to the lights right here. I think the next time we'll here we'll get a better look at the lights as well. Yeah, there you guys go. As we do walk in, you can see the construction walls are finally gone from this side of the turnstiles. They started doing some work over here. But it's good to see the turnstiles are now up and ready to go for HHN this year. Let's make our way into the park now. So as we do finally first walk in, you guys can see that they do have the lighting dress up on here. There might be like a little stage people climb up on there. This is going to be the new scare zone because they don't want to decorate Minions land yet, but here is the main stage for Dr. Oddfellow scare zone. Wait, what? Oh Lord. Now I was wondering what these lights were for, and look what this is. More props for the Dr. Oddfellow scare zone. Look at this. Very cool to see in person now. That's so cool to see. Looks like we got some food booth out now. No menus yet, but there you guys go, right outside Transformers. There's normally a couple right there, then down the alleyway, which I think I can see down there, so take a look in a second at those. Entering VAM 69, and you can see they finally started moving out some of the lighting around. Looks like now we got some motorcycles here now. They have done a lot of work here. Oh wow, look at this. Don't know.
I'm excited.
No, you're not. Looks like they are trying to make room for the tribute store now.
Look at the gay bus. Look at the gay bus. I call it the gay bus for a reason. It's the gayest bus that you've ever seen.
What did they do to the purge bus? I'm not going to say anything.
Oh, I was going to make a comment. I'm not going to say it.
They still got stands out here and about, right here. What did they do to the purge bus? Oh, wow. Oh, you're joking with me. I'm not doing a voiceover. There we go. Looks like they got poster all the way around throughout. VAM 69 should be fun as well. And also, yeah, Dr. Oddfellow, he'll be in the scare zone too. Very easy to know about that, isn't it? Dr. Oddfellow would be the icon for this year's event. There's some food tents here as well that kind of give me the Last of Us type of deal vibes as well. The Last of Us isn't going to be over in this part of the section of the park, though. That's what I'm so confused about. And we got 2 more over there to take a look at. Now, I do know this is probably going to, looks like it's going to be the Yeti food tent right here. And this looks like it's going to be Stranger Things. Now, I do also have respect for a lot of things, and when you have guests walking through these tents right here, or these food booths, please don't do that, because those people over there just did it. Don't do that, please. Universal spends money to get these things built to put up for the guests, and yeah, that's just rude. Okay, now back in Vamp 69, and there's another one right there. I want to see what's over there. Looks like there's plenty of waterings protection. See, they did add a lot of stuff to the stage last time I was here. The motorcycles. No, I think the last time I was here, all this stuff was on a stage. You just pulled down to the ground. But you can see the motorcycles are new. Over here, it looks like it is just another motorcycle. There you guys go. And now for the tribute store, they're probably working on the inside of it already. But I'm also going to take a guess. August 30th, it'll be team member and preview and pass the preview for the tribute store. And then the next day, it'll open up to everybody else. That's normally how it works. You know, I don't know how blind I was, but yeah, they're also setting up the bar right here as well, too. I didn't even see that. I am making my way back to the front of the park. I have to get something real quick and then right back on there. I did not see that. Okay, we're going to actually walk through Dark Zodiac. See what's new. I don't know any of these signs. And it looks like we're going to go into a voiceover too as well. Fantastic.
So now that we're walking into Dark Zodiac, I can see just new set pieces out here. Really nothing new to our fancy. I do know this zone holds a lot of stuff behind scenes that me as a content creator really just cannot see, but it is really cool to start seeing the streets getting set up now. I'm not sure. Now I do know that there are Zodiac signs, but I'm not sure exact. I don't really follow or pay attention to the Zodiac signs, to be honest, everybody. So yeah. Also passing by the Jurassic Park tribute store. Closes end of August, but Horror Nights only. And my voice sounds different, guys, dude. The heat was horrible today. It really did drain me, and I'm just trying to drink as much water as I can to make myself feel better, but nothing really too new here. Now, there is a bar that has been set back up that people are allowed to sit into last time, but that is now closed. The bar is now set up, and it looks fantastic. It looks like there's going to be more than just drinks there. It looks like some food options as well. There has been rumors that we're getting another weekend bar, so I am very excited to see what comes.
News for this year for HHN. Louis will not be doing the skeleton dining experience. But I want to go visit Chuck, I think. Saturday here, Fast and Furious. I can say this now. They redid all that, and that's going to be interesting to Chucky right there, and they already have the projection up there as well. Very cool to see that. Coming out into Pier 32. Just rode Fast and Furious. Don't ask me why, but I want to get a quick look around here real quick before I head on to our next ride. So it looks like there's some cages catching right now. More stuff has been put out right there as well. Very cool to see. Looks like they are doing something back here because there are speakers. There's nothing new in Diagon Alley at all, so I'm not really worried about that.
And that's nice cross station.
Still no food tents over here yet. Hopefully soon we should get some things. There is also a lot of food trucks popped up now, so I wouldn't be shocked if this is for HHN this year. Would not take a guess that would be for HHN this year, though. And then hopefully this area is done in time for HHN. Only time will tell. And wow, they have gone very far on the DreamWorks land. The Doom Jungle. Oh my, that's that giant spider. Oh my. Oh, the bats. I didn't see those yet. Oh, look at that.
Do you think they like always replace it? I mean, because
There's a brother back there. A parachute that looked at is fallen. Oh, very cool to see here. Yeah, and Dr. Oddfell will be in here as well. He'll be in just about all the scare zones this year. And the skeleton theme bar is also back as well.